Hello, this is Tim Lockman. I am your instructor for the course EDU 301, Online Course Design Strategies. And I'm going to give you a quick video tour of this online course. First of all, to get to this area where I am, the place you're going to want to click on is Content in your menu up here. That's where you're going to find your course materials. And that is the section I'm in, course materials over here in the left nav menu, and this is week 1 of the course. Some general things about using this course. First of all, make sure you read the syllabus. That is essential for you. The syllabus is over here on the left. You click on that and you will find the syllabus document. That is your contract between you and me, so make sure that you read that and understand it. The other links here, I think, are self-explanatory. The one that I'm looking at now is course materials. So let's kind of have a look at what you would see in a typical week of this course. So scrolling down here a little bit, you can see there are a variety of different types of activities. Each week will have an introduction, which will give you a quick overview of what we're going to be doing that week. And then you'll have some lectures, and I do audio lectures, so you're going to see an audio lecture here, and then usually after each audio lecture I have a knowledge check, which is simply a way for you to check whether or not you've gotten the material that you've just listened to. This is a really important way for you to practice and get information into your memory. It's not for a grade, but it does help you to learn. So you can see we have some more lecture stuff there. You may have an article or something else that I want you to read that week. That'll be linked here. A discussion forum and an assignment. So you won't have all of these things every week. So don't worry if you don't see a quiz that week, for example. There's not a quiz every week. One thing I do list every week, though, is a checklist. This is another ungraded item. If you click on here, all you see is really just a plain checklist of the tasks for that week. So this is a way for you to manually check off, yes, I got that done. And when they're all done, you know, this will all turn blue and you will have finished your checklist for the week, and you know that you can relax and enjoy your weekend or whatever it is that you're doing. D2L automatically puts checklist here, but that's only saying that you clicked on it. It doesn't mean that you finished it. So that's why I give you a checklist to check off when you finished your tasks for the week. There are a bunch of items up here in the horizontal navigation menu. You won't need most of these. If there's going to be an assignment for that week, for example, I will put it down here in the course materials. Same thing with quizzes, so you don't really need these. Chats, yeah, we really don't use chats in this class. There's this more thing. Sometimes this confuses students. Virtual classroom, virtual assignments, I don't use those, so I mean, you won't need that. And that's about it. So I'm looking forward to getting to know you in this class, and I will be talking to you soon.